Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tanya. I make weekly videos on holistic health and nutrition. So if you're into that, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Today I'm showing you what I eat in a day, and all of the recipes will be from my Paleo ebook. So I've been getting a lot of questions about the recipe section and what the recipes look like. Are they easy? So I figured the best way for me to answer that is by showing you the actual recipes. The recipes in my Paleo ebook are all super simple. They require minimal ingredients. You guys know my style. And of course, because they're Paleo, it means the recipes will also be grain, gluten, and dairy free. So let's get into it. First up, we have some grain-free pancakes. You will need some almond flour, tapioca flour, some baking powder, some sea salt, 2 eggs, some unsweetened almond milk, vanilla extract, and some protein powder. And I love the bone broth protein powder by Ancient Nutrition. Alright, so now it's time to get mixing. This is a super simple recipe. I usually combine all of my dry ingredients in one bowl and then all my wet combine, and it's that easy. You'll see here that I added some protein powder. That's actually not part of the recipe, but I really love adding it to it, and it's super tasty, especially if you're doing a vanilla protein powder like the one that I'm using. So I highly recommend adding that to the recipe. I just do a 1/4 cup and it really gives you a nice boost of protein in your pancakes. For lunch, you're going to need some kale. I just do the pre-chopped version, some hemp seeds, some avocado oil mayo, a lemon, a couple of garlic cloves, some Dijon mustard, salt, and some pepper, some chicken thighs. You could also do chicken breasts, 1 egg, some almond flour, some dry thyme, basil, some oregano, and some garlic powder. For lunch, we are using 2 different recipes from the ebook. We're doing the kale chicken Caesar salad plus the chicken fingers. So here I'm starting off with the chicken fingers. I'm just mixing some almond flour with some dried herbs for the coating of the chicken. This is so good. You're never going to want to eat chicken any other way. I'm using chicken thighs, but you could totally use chicken breast. That's actually what I have as a recipe for the recipe in the ebook. So yeah, totally up to you. Super easy to do. You just need your egg wash, your almond flour and herb mixture, and then you just dip, and then we'll put everything in the pan and let it cook. And while that's cooking, we can start preparing our kale Caesar salad. So another really easy recipe, especially if you're using that pre-wash, pre-chopped kale like I like to do. And then all you have to do is mix the ingredients for the dressing, and that's pretty much it. Mix it in and you'll see the finished product very soon. For dinner, you'll need some sesame seed oil, some coconut aminos, some pasture-raised pork or anything you can get your hands on, some shredded carrots, some coleslaw mix, green onions, some salt, and that's all. This recipe is super simple. This is my go-to recipe when I need a quick and healthy dinner. All you have to do is cook the pork, and then once that's well cooked, you can add the shredded cabbage and shredded carrots. Of course, you could do this yourself, but again, if you buy it already done, it's just going to be so easy. After I've added the shredded carrots and cabbage, I just add the coconut aminos, the salt, and some sesame oil for some flavor, and honestly, that's all. Top it off with some green onions and you got yourself such a great meal. Alright, there you have it. 3 super simple meals, technically 4 recipes from my ebook. I hope this gives you a better idea of what kind of recipes are included in my ebook, and additionally, it's not just recipes in my ebook. There's a ton of educational information on the paleo diet and practical information like how to stock your pantry, your fridge, some of my favorite paleo brands, so tons of info. If you are interested in grabbing my ebook, I'll have it as the first link in my description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, or you can contact me on Instagram. My handle is right here. I'm also going to be giving away a copy to one lucky winner. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, comment down below what is your favorite paleo meal, and that's it. I'll leave all the additional details regarding the giveaway in the description box, and yeah, you'll be entered. Alright, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!